Hi, let me show you how you can uninstall Bloatware from your POCO F7. So first you have to open settings and from here navigate to apps. And this is the list of the application that you can uninstall. Also Bloatware, and Bloatware is like pre-installed application for your phone like Amazon, games, also booking, all stuff like that. So it can drain your battery, drain your mobile data, stuff like that. So if you want to get rid of this bloatware, you just simply have to uninstall it one by one. So let me show you how it looks like. Select the application that you want to uninstall and simply click uninstall over here and click OK. Just like that. Amazon Shopping, uninstall, just like that. Also the games. I don't want the games on my phone, so I'm clicking uninstall. And you can do it with everything that you want to remove from your phone, but not every single thing you can uninstall from your Poco. You can like this Poco launcher. You can force stop or clear data, so you can't uninstall it. Also, security app, for example. There is some application that you can't uninstall. But basically, yes, games. I don't want the game, so I'm uninstalling it. TikTok definitely uninstall. I don't want TikTok on my phone. Tiemu uninstall. So you have to find the application that you not using. You want to uninstall it and just simply remove it from your phone. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.